Friends, welcome to Malik Study Skills. In today's video, we are going to learn about some very important gas laws. Boyle's laws, Charles' law, Avogadro's law and Graham's law of diffusion. These laws help us understand how gases behave with pressure, volume, temperature and number of particles. Understanding them is not only useful in chemistry but also in daily life. First of all, I will tell you that what is gas law means definition of gas law. The relationship that express the influence of one variable on another with two variables constant are called gas law. And the samples of a gas law can be categorized by four variables. The number of moles of a gas denoted by symbol N, volume denoted by symbol V, pressure denoted by symbol P, temperature denoted by symbol T. Now moves towards Boyle's law. It states that for a fixed amount of gas at a constant temperature, the volume of a gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. Means Boyle's law states that if temperature is kept constant, the pressure of a gas is inversely proportional to its volume. That means if volume decreases, pressure increases, and if volume increases, pressure decreases. Now moves towards its derivation. This derivation states that pressure is inversely proportional to volume at a constant temperature. Now for your easiness, I give you example of this Boyle's law. When you push a syringe, the volume decreases and the pressure inside increases. Now moves toward Charles' law. Charles' law. It states that for a fixed amount of gas at constant pressure, the volume of a gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. It means that Charles' law states that if pressure is kept constant, the volume of a gas is directly proportional to its temperature. So when temperature increases, volume increases. When temperature decreases, volume decreases. Now move towards its derivation, and this derivation states that volume is directly proportional to temperature at a constant pressure. For your easiness, I am asking you an example of this. A balloon kept in sunlight expands because increasing temperature increases the volume of gas inside. Avogadro's law. It states that for a gas at constant temperature and pressure, the volume of a gas is directly proportional to the number of moles of gas, which means that Avogadro's law says that equal volumes of gases at the same temperature and pressure contain an equal number of molecules. So the type of gas does not matter. If the conditions are the same, the number of molecules will also be the same. Now moves towards its derivation, and this derivation of Avogadro's law says that volume is directly proportional to the number of particles of a gas molecules at constant temperature and pressure. Now example of Avogadro's law: 1 liter of oxygen and 1 liter of hydrogen contain the same number of molecules if temperature and pressure are same. Graham's law of diffusion. It states that the rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to the square root of the molar mass of the gas particles, which means that Graham's law of diffusion states that it explains diffusion. It states that the rate of diffusion of a gas is inversely proportional to the square root of its molar mass. That means lighter gas diffuse faster and heavier gases diffuse more slowly. Now moves towards its derivation, and this derivation states that rate of diffusion is indirectly proportional to the square root of the molar mass. Now for your easiness, I give you the example of Graham's law of diffusion. Hydrogen diffuses faster than oxygen because hydrogen has a much smaller molar mass. So friends, these were the four important gas laws: Boyle's laws, Charles' law, Avogadro's law, and Graham's law of diffusion. If you understand these well, you can easily explain the behavior of gases in science and in daily life. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with Malik Study Skills.